Imagine stepping into your garden to find lush, vibrant peonies in full bloom, their intoxicating fragrance filling the air. But what if yours aren't thriving? What if they refuse to bloom, flop over, or worse, get attacked by pests? If you want big, breathtaking peony flowers that return year after year, this guide is for you. Peonies have been cultivated for over 2,000 years, originating in China, Japan, and Europe. In China, they were called the king of flowers and symbolized prosperity and honor. Today, they remain a garden favorite worldwide. Peonies thrive in USDA hardiness zones 3 to 8, meaning they can handle both cold winters and warm summers. If you live in these zones, you can grow peonies successfully. Just follow the right care tips. Peonies come in 3 main types. Herbaceous peonies die back to the ground each winter but return stronger every spring. Tree peonies are woody shrubs that keep their structure year-round with massive, exotic-looking flowers. Intersectional or Ito peonies are a hybrid of herbaceous and tree peonies, offering strong stems, long bloom times, and huge flowers. With over 3,000 cultivars, choosing the best one can be overwhelming. But I'll share 6 top varieties later in this video. Peonies teach patience. They take 2 to 3 years to start blooming, but once established, they become garden legends, often living for 50 to 100 years or more. Some peonies even outlive the gardeners who plant them. To get the best blooms, you need the right care. Planting depth is crucial. Root buds or eyes should be just 1 to 2 inches below the soil. Planting too deep prevents blooming. Peonies need at least 6 hours of direct sun daily. More sun means more blooms. The soil should be well-draining and rich in organic matter. Avoid waterlogged soil, which causes root rot. Once established, peonies are drought-tolerant, but during dry spells, they need deep watering once a week. Apply low-nitrogen fertilizer in early spring and after blooming to keep plants strong. Avoid over-fertilizing. It can cause lush leaves but fewer flowers. Do all peonies need support? No, but double and heavy flowered varieties often do. Use peony rings or stakes to keep them upright. Do peonies have a scent? Well, not all peonies are fragrant, but some have incredible perfume-like scents. Here are some of the most fragrant varieties. Festiva Maxima, a strong, sweet scent. Duchesse de Nemours, a soft, lemony fragrance. Sarah Bernhardt, classic, rich floral scent. Want a scented garden? These are must-have varieties. With thousands of peonies out there, which are the best? Here are 6 of the most stunning and reliable peonies to grow. Sarah Bernhardt, herbaceous peony. Huge pink flowers, heavily fragrant, and great for cut arrangements. Bartzella, Ito peony, a massive yellow semi-double bloom with a soft lemon scent and strong stems. Carl Rosenfield, herbaceous peony, a deep dramatic red peony that commands attention. Festiva Maxima, herbaceous peony, a white peony with crimson flecks known for its powerful fragrance. Coral Charm, herbaceous peony, a unique coral-colored peony that fades to peach, one of the earliest bloomers. Duchesse de Nemours, herbaceous peony, an elegant creamy white peony with a delightful lemon scent. Pest problems. What eats peonies? Peonies are deer-resistant. Yes, deer don't eat them. But there are a few pests to watch out for. Botrytis blight, a fungal disease that causes brown spots and wilting buds. Solution? Space plants well and avoid overhead watering. Thrips, tiny insects that suck the life out of peony petals. Solution? Use insecticidal soap or hose them off. Aphids. These sap-sucking bugs love peony buds. Solution? Spray with water or neem oil. When and how to cut peonies for long-lasting blooms. Peonies make gorgeous cut flowers, but timing is key. When to cut: when the buds feel soft, like a marshmallow, not when fully open. How to keep them fresh: place stems in cold water immediately. Store unwrapped stems in the fridge for up to 2 weeks to extend bloom time. Change water daily and trim stems to keep them looking fresh. Do peonies need winter protection? Not usually. They actually love the cold. It helps them bloom better in spring. However, young or newly planted peonies benefit from a light mulch layer, straw or pine needles in zone 3 or colder. Remove mulch in early spring so the shoots can emerge. Peonies are low maintenance, long-lived, and absolutely breathtaking. By choosing the right variety, planting correctly, and following these tips,
you'll enjoy massive, fragrant blooms for generations. So tell me, which peony are you most excited to grow? Drop a comment below.